Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. All my skincare videos are only 5 minutes long, so they are really short. Doesn't take too much time of your day. If you like my video today, please click the like button. And today we will carry on with my Glamour makeup tutorial. So without wasting any more time, let's get on to it. See ya! Today is part 3 of my step-by-step Glamour makeup tutorial, which I have split it into 3 parts. Part 1 is demonstrating to you how to put on your primer and your foundation. And part 2 was the eye makeup and the eyebrow. And now part 3, the finishing part, the fun part I call it. We're going to sculpt the face, really. We're going to shape the face and just bringing color to the face. So the first thing I do is I'm going to use my bronzer, my Art Deco, just my contouring brush. I just mix it all up like this. Just put as much color into my brush as possible. And then I'm just going to dab it. And I'm going to dab it just under my cheekbones, not on top of my cheeks. The cheeks is for my blusher, so just under my cheekbones. Just very lightly, and as usual, always going up. I don't move them right down here, because if I move my bronzer or my contouring color right down, you know what I look hollow. You don't want to look hollow. You want everything to be lifted up, to be going up. So I'm really starting from the middle of my cheek and just going up. And a little bit here, and then onto the edge of my ears, and I'm just going to bring it down under my chin here. Okay, the other side again, just mixing, filling the brush with this color. I'm going to do the other side under the cheekbone halfway, but not down to my mouth, because if it is down to my mouth, I look hollow, look like I'm unwell. Just halfway, and then you go up, and a little bit on the edge here, hairline here, on the ears, and just under my cheeks here. The whole idea is so that when people look at you from the side, you just look like tan. You know, you just look like you've got a nice shaping on your face. Can you see? Yeah, I'm going to shape this side. Just gives me a little bit of shaping. And now the blusher. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Sandalwood Pink blusher, La Blush. It's a very beautiful soft pink. I find that as I get older, the softer pink colors are just nicer for my cheeks instead of the heavier pink colors. Just makes me look older. So nice soft pinks, it just brightens you up, give you a youthful look. And my blusher brush. And I'm just going to lightly dab, okay? Just dabbing. And this, I'm just going to put it just on top of my cheekbones. Again, going up. Just on top of my cheekbones. Just flip my mirror over so I can see better. I want a normal mirror when I'm doing the blusher part, not my magnifying mirror, magnifying side, because yeah, just get up, just on the cheekbones and going up, on the cheekbones, lightly on the cheekbones. Can you see? Just gives me a little bit of a rosy glow. And you can even sort of blend it with your contouring. Powder, but just subtle. It's just a subtle glow. Just how is this side going? I might a little bit more on this side. Okay, just going up a little bit more on this side. And what I do is whatever that's left over, I just dab a little bit on my chin here. Dab a little bit of color on my chin, and a little bit on the forehead here. A little bit of color. Can you see? If I dip a little, whatever is left on the brush, I just let dab a little bit on the chin. Just get a bit of color on my face. Okay. The other thing I nearly forgot is the shaping of my nose. I just use a very small flat brush. And from my Zoeva palette, I try to use the color that is closest to my skin tone. And I'm going to use this little brown here. This brown here. Light brown, not dark brown. And I'm just going to do a line. Just get my mirror. And my line, I don't make it go all the way down to my nose. Otherwise, make my nose just too narrow, but just halfway, all right? And then I'm just going to use my finger and just blend it in. And wipe off the excess. Just lightly, but not pushing in too much. Otherwise, you are actually messing up with your foundation. Just a bit more. It's looking a bit better. And now I'm going to use my Revlon Photo Ready number 10 Fair, a highlighter. I use this as a highlighter, and I use a soft brush, small brush, and I'm just going to dab a little bit of this powder very lightly. And I'm just going to lightly dab on my cheeks here, lightly, just so that when the light shines to my face, you know, the nose line here, my cupid, a little bit down here. So just give a little bit of a highlighter, just a bit more. You see, just a bit of highlighting. So you want that line, and then a little bit of line here. So really that's the shape of your highlighting. Yeah, can you see, just gives a bit of highlighting. And now my lips. And today I'm going to be using the Manuka Doctor Lip Enhancer. You see that? Okay. Squeeze a little bit. Just put on my lips. And I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes. Hi, yep, I'm back. And in my 5 minutes, while I wait for my lip enhancer to settle, I'm going to get changed, so I don't waste my time. So I have got changed. I am going out tonight. So that's why this glamour look. And so my lips are ready. I'm going to use my Nars. And the color is Avante. And Nars is an excellent cosmetic brand. All your makeup products are really of good quality. They're not the cheapest. A lot of the products are quite pricey. When you put it on your lip, just fill it up. Yeah, go over the edge and fill it up. Okay. Don't go inside the edge of your lips, otherwise you're making your lips smaller, but go over the edge and fill it up. Just making your lips look bigger. Leave the lipstick for 5 minutes before you put on your lip gloss. Just allow the lipstick to settle, for the color to settle. So I'm going to be back in 5 minutes. Now that my lipstick, my Nars liquid lipstick has time to settle, I'm going to put on lip gloss. What a lip gloss does is just seal in your lipstick. And so when you drink, when you eat, it's just, your lipstick doesn't disappear so fast. And one of my favorite lip gloss is by Stilla. Stilla, you see that? Stilla cosmetics are reasonably priced, are really well priced, and the qualities are really good. So here you are, and the color is Synergy. So with colors, I like to use quite a light colored gloss on top of my red lipstick, in that case, it just softened my red lipstick a little bit. So play around with colors. I don't tend to, I have a few lip gloss colors and they're all very light. Yeah, they're not dark. I just don't want to make my lipstick any darker. Otherwise, just too strong. And this lovely soft pink just softened my lipstick. Can you see it has really softened the red and put a lovely gloss to it? So that's my Stilla lip gloss. And now I'm going to use my makeup setting spray and one of my favorites. I've got a few. One of my favorites is the one by Urban Decay All Nighter. All Nighter Urban Decay. And what you do is, I'm just going to sit back, give it a good shake, and I'm just going to sit back here. And I'm just going to go down, like doing a cross, go down, and make sure it's at least a feet away from your face. You don't want big drops of that spray on your makeup. You want a light spray. So make sure it's trying to be far away. If it's not enough, you can always come a bit closer. You can feel that your face is getting a bit of spray, and then cross. And then if you like, I just go it all. Just make sure the secret to this is not too close to your face. Yeah, make sure it's a feet apart. And just don't touch your makeup now and let that makeup setting spray set. And it just, what the setting spray does is just put a bit of shine. So when light shine onto your face, you got that nice glow and gloss. So there you are. So this is the makeup that I did the other day in my Glamour makeup. So all the products that I use in that other video, I've used them all in this three-part video, just to demonstrate to you step by step how I create that look. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and click the ring bell button. And if you like my video today, click the like button. And those of you who have been following me, if you think this is helpful, share this video with your colleague, friends, and family. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.